Hi, hello everyone. Sometimes you have a chance to show the text messages in a presentation or in your YouTube channel. Just exhibiting text messages is boring one. See the example. It is too boring, isn't it? See, another clippings. What do you feel now? It is quite interesting, isn't it? Yes, we can do this kind of text messages more interesting by using Kinemaster app. Come, let us jump into it. Welcome to VV All-in-One channel. We are uploading interesting videos regularly. So, don't forget to subscribe our channel. And also, kindly press the bell symbol for getting regular notification whenever we upload the video. And don't forget to like, share and comment. Come, let us jump into the tutorials. By doing this way, you can convert boring text messages into eye-catching clippings in your presentation, and also you can do it for your YouTube videos for grabbing viewer attention. That's all, friends. If you like this video, kindly like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye and take care.